In aquaculture production plants, based on recirculation, there are some common challenges. Fish farmers using recirculation systems, also known as RAS systems, are often concerned with water quality issues and high levels of carbon dioxide. Clarity offers a combined solution for improving water quality and carbon dioxide degassing. As a result, the production capacity is increased and fish quality and welfare is enhanced, improving the final product. The Clarity Protein Skimmer works effectively in fresh water, making it unique in today's market. Clarity represents a solution for fish farmers striving to create optimal health and growth conditions, and at the same time, increase the economic return. The CL150 has a capacity of skimming 2,500 liters per minute and produces up to 1.2 cubic meters foam per hour. These features are unique in the market today. The Clarity Skimmer removes the salt particles through the foam. In other words, it reduces the excess amount of proteins or organic waste. Removing protein particles is essential in improving water quality. Thus, the Clarity makes it possible to increase the fodder amount without deteriorating the water condition. As a result, you get the opportunity of a possible increase in size and weight of up to 20% per generation. Our experience also shows that Clarity improves the overall health of the fish, reducing mortality rates and enhancing the quality of the final product. In addition, the Clarity Skimmer is also a highly efficient carbon dioxide stripping unit, with 70 to 80% reduction of carbon dioxide levels at full yield. Clarity Skimmer will also significantly improve the effects of any installed biofilters, increasing the performance of the entire plant. The Clarity is the only skimmer available that works with high efficiency in fresh water as well as salt water. This is due to its unique downdraft principle. It reduces the levels of carbon dioxide, phosphorus, total nitrogen and nitrate. It provides stable, high-quality water conditions, helping the fish farmer to control the environment and to reduce the risk of bacteria and virus outbreak. Adding the Clarity to the system will enhance your biomass and make it more rugged. Clarity offers an optimal solution for fish farmers, striving to achieve best practice and the best results in an industry characterized by increasing competition and sophisticated customers.